Hi, this is Mike Dickey, Longhorn Cellars, talking about the Optima steamer today. The reason I decided to do the steamer for a barrel cleaning method was because the steamer does everything that I need. It cleans, debulks the tartrates in the barrel, allows me to sanitize the barrel, but it also it seals the barrel. This barrel here was leaking. It's a neutral barrel that's several years old. It's had several fills. It's still a very good barrel in very good condition, but it had been stored dry for several months and was leaking some. About 60 seconds with the steamer, and it was sealed again and no longer leaking. Another great thing about the steamer is that it only uses for a cycle about a cup of water to sanitize the barrel and to seal the barrel, as opposed to other methods where you say with peracetic acids you would have to fill the barrel entirely, so 60 gallons of water. This takes less than a cup of water, so no chemicals and much less use of a precious resource, water, just much more green. So that's the bottom line for me. It does everything that I need. It does it with one package, and it does it in a time-effective and cost-effective way.